Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today nama Volkswagen Polo Auto Review Pakalam. First engine and transmission Pothi Pakalam. Engine type Pothing and a 1.0 LMPI petrol. Engine displacement Pothing and a 999 cubic centimeters. Fuel type Pothing and a petrol Kuda Thurakanga. Max power output Pothing and a 75.10 bhp at 6200 rpm. Max torque 95 Nm at 2950 3800 rpm. Emission norm Pothing and a BS6. Number of cylinders 3. Transmission manual and automatic. Kuda Thurakanga. Gearbox 5 speed. Drive type FWD Kuda Thurakanga. Paddle shift not available in Polo. Curb weight 1015 kilograms. Next nama performance and fuel economy Pothi Pakalam. Mileage, array, 17.74 kmpl. Next brakes, steering, suspension and tires Pothi Pakalam. Suspension front McPherson strut with stabilizer bar. Suspension rear semi-independent trailing arm brakes front disc. Brakes. Rear drum. Steering type electronic Kuda Thurakanga. Minimum turning radius 4.9. Tire size 175/70 R14. Wheel size R14. Tire type tubeless radial. Next interior dimensions Pothi Pakalam. Seating capacity 5. Doors 5. Boot space 280 liters. Fuel capacity 45 liters. Next variants and price tag Pothi Pakalam. 1.0 MPI trendline variant Pothing and around 6.16 rupees lakh. Turbo edition variant Pothing and around 6.99 rupees lakh. 1.0 MPI comfort line variant Pothing and around 7.41 rupees lakh. 1.0 MPI Highline Plus variant Pothing and around 8.49 rupees lakh.
We used to look up at the sky and wonder at our place in the stars.
This is the world you've made yourself. Now you have to live in it.
The end is in our sights.
The future is already here.
No matter how hard we tried, we are doomed.
Say your goodbyes. Brace yourself.
I can see the end inside.
Three, two, one. Hardwired.
We could be.
Legend.
I have nothing to lose.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
Wake up. I know what's real.
Escape reality. Hardwired. Switch.
This is Vinu Chakravarti signing off. Thank you. Save trees, safe motoring.